Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We got a fun little project today. Industrial John Deere 300. We got a new loader for it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mounted up on the tractor. Yeah, she's in pretty darn decent shape for what he paid for it. So basically, I'm gonna take off the filter housing and the two side plates. We're gonna fish this down on the tractor, get her bolted up, and then we'll start working on the hydro, get her functioning, and yeah. Should be a fun little video, so here we go. Here's the donor monster. Pretty decent little tractor. But we're gonna go ahead and we got that off, turned around. We're gonna go ahead and slip it in and yeah, start getting her bolted on. Got her pretty darn close to the set in place. You can see here, I drove far enough forward that I can get to where I mount these pucks to. This was down and back a little. Bolted my pucks on, raised it up, and then moved that into place and then put my side plates on. So now the front is pretty much buttoned up. Now I just need to jack those up and bolt them to the rear axle. So let's go ahead and get that done. Small technical difficulty. The track width of the vehicle is a little bit too narrow. You can see by the holes in my, a little hard to see, but that's my bolt channel. There's my hole. So my track width's a little bit too narrow. I'm going to have to slide these tires out a little bit and play with the offset on them. So the track width is going to increase a little bit so we can get that to fit. Yeah. So yeah, stand by. I didn't get a lot of this on film because it was kind of redundant just to do a time lapse on me drilling holes and stuff, but flipped the centers on the wheels and then swapped sides on the wheels, and that gave me just enough offset. You can see back here, gave me enough offset that I could bolt them in place. I had to ream these holes out to 7/8. That was challenging. I only had a drill bit and I fought that for way too long. Finally got a reamer, got it reamed out, and had to clearance a little bit down here with a die grinder. Got my bolts in. Plates are bolted up. Well, they will be. I don't have an inch and 5/16 socket with me here, so I'll bring that from the shop. But essentially got that all bolted up now. And yeah, everything's all done. Now we're gonna start running the hydro. I have to put the regulator on it, put the filter housing back in, and then start running some hoses and get her done. So yeah, let's do that. All right. Got all the plumbing done. We went ahead and got the regulator in. The owner decided not to run the auxiliary filter, just the regulator. So got all that plumbed in, run all our hoses, all new hoses and stuff, and didn't work. So I went through the diagnostic process. I checked pressure at the pump, checked all this out. That's all good. Checking pressures on the regulator. As you can see, I still have my gauge set up right now. Pressure in was perfect. Pressure out was no good. Found out my orifice valve, orifice thingy, was stuck. Unstuck it, and she's only running about 500 pounds of pressure. I was hoping to have a video of everything operational, and it does work, but it's really, really slow and has no power. So we're gonna have to rebuild that regulator and go from there. I was hoping to have a done video, but that's all I'm gonna do for now. So thanks for watching, and if y'all found this entertaining, please like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you soon.